In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record rent payments in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential task for landlords and property managers, ensuring that your accounting records are accurate and up to date. With QuickBooks, you can efficiently manage these financial transactions, making your life a little easier. So, let's dive into the steps to record those payments properly. To begin, you want to head to the upper left corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Here, you'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a list of transactions you can record. What we're interested in for today's task is Receive Payment. This is your go-to option anytime you are logging money received from tenants as rent. Once you click Receive Payment, you'll be prompted to enter some key information. First, you'll need to input the specific tenant's name. This ensures that the payment is linked to the correct individual or entity. Next, select the date of the payment. It's important to match the date to when you actually receive the funds to keep your records consistent. Now, you'll need to input the payment amount. Double-check that this reflects the correct sum you received from your tenant, as accuracy at this stage sets the foundation for accurate financial reporting. After that, direct your attention to the bank account field. Here, you must select where the tenant's money was deposited. This helps in reconciling your bank statements and ensuring that every inflow is accounted for. Following this, you'll notice an option to select the invoice associated with the rent payment. If you have already sent an invoice to the tenant, choose it to apply this payment against that debt. However, it's also perfectly fine if no invoice has been sent. QuickBooks is smart enough to save this payment as a credit to the customer. This means that when you do send out an invoice later, you can use this credit to either fully or partially satisfy it, giving you seamless integration with your accounting system. And that's all there is to it. You've just successfully recorded a rent payment in QuickBooks Online. This simple yet vital task keeps your accounts in check, reducing errors and giving you a true picture of your rental income. Consider setting a regular schedule to input these payments, like the first of every month or the day after payments are due, to keep your accounts consistently accurate and up to date. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful in getting you comfortable with recording rent payments. Until next time, happy accounting!